Hello, this is a tutorial by Professor Nathan Smith for my students in MBA 730 on how to create skip patterns in a Google Drive form. So, I've created a form here, and this is just for purposes of this instructional video. It's a very simple, stupid questionnaire, but it's called Experiment with Skip Patterns. And the first question is, do you want to answer the next question? So, now you notice there's a box here, go to page based on answer. You can unclick that if you want, and then it will just automatically proceed to the next question. But if you click it, then it gives you an option for each answer choice about which the page they'll go to. So in this case I say, go to page 2. That's an optional page. Go to page 3. That's where everyone converges. If you want, I could add a third option. This is stupid. I quit. And then I could make that be that you submit the form if you submit that one. But I don't actually want to do that, so I'll delete that. Just stay with 2. Okay. Now you notice that I've created 3 pages. So this shows up as 3 separate pages. Put your answer separately. Now to create a page, you just go to add item page break. So I'll call this not for real page since I'm going to delete it in a second. See, it shows up as a separate page, and I could add a question if I wanted to, but I'll just delete that. So I've created 3 pages, and so here the answer choice yes sends you to the optional page, the answer choice no sends you to the page where everyone converges. After that, there's a page where you have an optional question. This question does not have skip patterns. Everybody just goes on to the next question if they answer this, and then the last one is where everyone comes together again. So let's see how this works. I've brought up the window here, and I submit another response. Okay, do you want to answer the next question? So then first I say, yes, I'll answer it. So what happens then? It lets me answer the question. Aren't you glad you chose to answer this question? No, not particularly, and then continue. Then I come to where everybody converges. Did you choose to answer the optional question? Yes, I did. Submit. Now, I'll submit another response. This time I'll say, no, skip the next question. I don't want to answer it. So it doesn't ask me. And, of course, this then I suppose becomes the next question, but it asks, did you choose to answer the optional question? And now I say no. Okay, so that's a very stupid questionnaire, of course, but if you understand skip patterns, they can be very useful in survey design.